There are other points above this line that represent saving more than $100 per month. For example, after 1 month, I could have also saved $400. Or after 1 month, I could have saved $450, or even $500. Similar reasoning could be used at 2 months. I could have saved maybe $600, or $700. So there's tons of points farther above this region. Because all these y values, or the amount of money saved, falls above this line, we can change our equation into an inequality. We want our savings amount to be greater than the exact amount of $200 plus the $100 per month. So this is the inequality we can write. Notice that linear inequalities contain two variables, just like linear equations. This allows us to find a point, x and y, that satisfies this condition. For example, I can use this point and plug in 2 for x and 500 for y, and I should get a true statement. And when I do, I get 500 is greater than 400. So yes, this is true. Also, remember from before, we said that 1/300 couldn't be a point for our inequality. We didn't save more than $100 per month. So I need some way to represent that on the line. I can't actually include the points on the line, so I'm going to use a dashed line to exclude them. We know any of the points above this line satisfy our inequality. This shaded region up above would represent every instance when we saved more than $100 in a month. Let's say you allowed yourself to save exactly $100 or more per month. So now we could be greater than or equal to. Well, this point can now be a point on our line. If you allow yourself to save exactly $100 or more in a month, then now we can include this point in our inequality. We can see that by plugging it in, we get a true statement. 300 is greater than or equal to 300. I need to change my graph to reflect that. So instead of using a dashed line, I'll use a solid one. That will represent the equal to part. When graphing linear inequalities, we use a solid line for greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. If we see the greater than or the less than sign, then we use a dashed line.